Hey guys, Sarah from ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of RedRock 4x4's 1.5-inch wheel spacers in black with the 5x5 bolt pattern. These will fit your 07 through 18 Jeep Wrangler JKs. These spacers feature a durable aluminum construction for lightweight strength and come in an anodized black finish. This kit includes pre-installed studs and lug nuts as well as red Loctite. These spacers are 1.5 inches thick for more wheel and fender clearance as well as an aggressive stance. These spacers feature a Hub Centric design with a 5x5 bolt pattern. Coming in at around $60, this is certainly a budget-friendly way to improve clearance as well as the look of your Jeep. I'm giving this install a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It can be done in approximately 1 hour and is as simple as taking your wheels off and putting them back on your Jeep. For this install, we used a 1/2-inch drive ratchet, 19mm socket, a 13/16 socket for the lug nuts, an impact gun, and a torque wrench. All right, so the first step in our uninstall is to remove our wheel. Before you put your spacer on, now would be the time to put some Loctite on each of the studs. Because we're doing this just for demonstration, I'm gonna skip that step, but it's nice to call out and it's nice to have instead of having to go get it. Now we can put our spacer over the factory studs and using the included lug nuts, install them on each stud. If you can't get them by hand, you can do that with a 19mm socket. Once you have them all on, you can tighten them down. At this point, you might want to grab a friend to help you. We're going to hold the brake so the hub does not move so we can torque down our lugs. All right, with our spacer on and torqued down, we can now get our wheel back on our Jeep. All right, so that is gonna do it for the review and install of our spacers. Remember, for all things Jeep, keep it at ExtremeTerrain.com.